The PROMARK3 principle is to record simultaneous data at a base which occupies a known point and one or more rovers at unknown points. The data from all the receivers are post-processed together. The measurements for the known point are compared to the measurement for unknown points, so accurate positions for the unknown points can be computed. Since the base station always serves as a reference on a known point, it is always a static job. For this reason, we will cover the base station and static rover operations at the same time. It is standard procedure to start the base before the rovers and stop the base after stopping after the rovers. The first thing to do, if you can, is to select a location with the best clear view of the sky, a place where no trees or buildings are in the vicinity. Once the receiver and its antenna are set up, turn on the PROMARK3 and let it detect and track the available GPS signals to compute its position. During this time, you can measure the antenna height and note it in a field book for future reference. Launch the surveying field application. Verify that the unit is tracking GPS satellites by checking the SAT polar view. Press Menu and select Setup to configure your survey job as required. We recommend that you verify the storage media you want to use, either SD card or internal memory, and that the receiver has a unique ID name or number. The ID must be a unique identification among your PROMARK3 equipment to avoid future confusion, as data will be stored in a file associated partially with this identification. When the receiver is tracking a sufficient number of satellites, you can start the survey data collection. Press the log key on the keyboard to display the survey settings screen. Enter the survey settings as required. Press the log button on the touchscreen or the keyboard log key to start recording data. The survey status screen allows you to monitor the survey progress. Observation range is the baseline length, the distance between the base and the rover, for which enough data has been collected. Observation range is the most important field to monitor on the rover receiver. The range value should start to increase in 4 to 5 minutes. When enough data has been collected for the length of your baseline, the survey is over. Press the Done button on the touchscreen to stop data recording and close the file. If you have no other surveys to perform using this base, close the surveying program by pressing Menu and selecting Exit. We recommend you stop the rover first and the base last. We'll look at data transfer to the PC via USB or SD card in a later chapter that covers the Survey Office software.